18 people were killed and more than a dozen injured in a stampede that broke out late last night at the New Delhi railway station. The cause of the stampede is unclear, but initial reports suggest that the cancellation of 2 trains to Prayagraj for the Mahakumbh led to crowding and chaos on 2 platforms. The Railway Ministry has now ordered a high-level inquiry into the incident. Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has met with the injured people who have been admitted at the LNJP hospital as well. The Railways has announced compensation of 10 lakh rupees to the family of the deceased, 2.5 lakh rupees to those who are seriously injured, and a compensation of 1 lakh has been announced for those who have sustained minor injuries. Meanwhile, the Congress has hit out at the centre as well, questioning mismanagement by Railways. Rahul Gandhi as well saying that perhaps better arrangements should have been made at the railway station.
बेसिकली एक टाइम पे ट्रेन्स का डिले, कुछ तो ट्रेन्स डिले हो गई थी और उसके अलावा कुछ एक्स्ट्रा टिकट्स थी जो कि लोगों ने उस टाइम पे परचेज करी थी प्रयागराज के लिए, जहाँ और स्टेशंस के लिए। वो सारा क्राउड इन कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे ज़्यादा इकट्ठा हो गया, उसमें थोड़ी भगदड़। क्राउड का अंदाज़ा हम लोगों ने लगाया था और सिचुएशन में बता रहा हूँ, जो पूरा टाइम फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द टाइम जिसमें 10 मिनट में हुआ, उसमें ज़्यादा लोगों का आना, उसके अलावा 2 ट्रेन्स का डिले होना। बाकी ये मैटर जो है एग्जैक्टली जो फैक्ट फाइंडिंग है वो रेलवे की तरफ से फैक्ट फाइंडिंग होगी। एज दिल्ली पुलिस भी हमारा काम जो इंक्वेस्ट का हम उसमें लगे, अभी हमारा फोकस टुवर्ड्स इंजर्ड एंड डिजीज्ड की तरफ।
इतनी भीड़ मैंने सन 81 से रेलवे में भर्ती हूँ, यहाँ पर कुली का काम कर रहा हूँ। मैंने ऐसी भीड़ कभी जिंदगी में नहीं देखी। तो ये हमसा हुआ, प्रयागराज स्पेशल भेज रहे थे ये लोग, उसको 12 नंबर से चेंज 16 नंबर कर दिया। तो 12 नंबर की पब्लिक 16 पे आई और बाहर की पब्लिक जब 16 पे जाने लगी तो एकदम बच गई पब्लिक। इसके लीटर और जीने पे पब्लिक गिर गई। कुली भाइयों को ठीक पड़ा, कुली भाई दौड़ के आए, पूरे कुली भाइयों ने रास्ता ब्लॉक किया, ब्लॉक करके पब्लिक को रोक के और लाश निकाली। हमने खुद ने एम्बुलेंस में लोड की।
पुल है ना, इसके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा पब्लिक हो गई थी और पब्लिक को बहुत कंट्रोल करा पुलिस ने, लेकिन पब्लिक इतनी हो गई थी कि लिमिट से ज़्यादा वो संभाल ही नहीं पा रहे थे, इतनी पब्लिक आ गई थी। अब यहाँ दोनों तरफ गाड़ियाँ खड़ी थी, तो ऊपर पुल के ऊपर जो है वो भगदड़ मच गई। उसकी वजह से जो भी नुकसान हुआ वहीं हुआ है। प्लेटफार्म तो खाली था, प्लेटफार्म पे भीड़ नहीं थी। प्लेटफार्म में तो सवारियाँ गाड़ियों में बैठी हुई थी, जितनी भी भीड़ थी सब पुल के ऊपर थी और जो भी ड्रामा हुआ सब पुल के ऊपर ही हुआ है। पब्लिक इतनी आ गई कि इतना अनुमान ही नहीं था कि ऐसा, हमने आज तक ऐसी पब्लिक नहीं देखी। 26 साल हमें यहाँ पे हो गए, ऐसा तो आज तक कभी छठ पूजा पे भी नहीं हुआ जैसा रात पब्लिक आई थी। पता नहीं कहाँ से इतनी पब्लिक आई, और पूरी रात गाड़ियाँ चलने के बाद भी देखो अभी तक पब्लिक कम नहीं है, इतनी पब्लिक आ गई।
हाँ, स्टेशन पे था, हम लोग 12 लोग करीब जा रहे थे।
कहाँ जा रहे थे?
कुंभ के लिए जा रहे थे, प्रयाग के लिए। लेकिन हम
से जाने
ये रात को 10:10 की ट्रेन थी, प्रयाग एक्सप्रेस। लेकिन हम तो प्लेटफार्म तक पहुँच ही नहीं पाए, पहले ही जीने पर ही डेथ हो गई।
क्या हुआ एग्जैक्टली वहाँ पे?
जीने पे सर नीचे से उतर रहे थे तो पीछे से भीड़ आई। तो भीड़ में जो आगे कुछ गिरे होंगे लोग, उसमें दब गए वो। मेरी जो बहन थी वो आधे घंटे बाद मिली हमें, तो जबकि वो आधे घंटे बाद मिली तब तक वो मर चुकी थी।
आधे घंटे
बाद मिली। फिर उसके बाद हमने 1 घंटा उसे प्रेस भी किया,
रेल प्रशासन
हमने उसे प्रेस किया, माउथ टू माउथ दिया, उसके पति ने माउथ टू माउथ दिया, इसने दिया, सबने दिया।
Can only offer prayers to the families of the bereaved. Of the 18 people, the unfortunate part is 14 are women. I think this is a most unfortunate incident, and obviously systems will be put to place and people will make sure that we don't have such stampedes in the future. But right now it can only be prayers, and I hope that the government, which I'm sure it will take the proactive measures that are required. I don't think this is an issue that needs to be politicized. It's an unfortunate accident, an incident that we all have our hearts going out to the victims and their families.
जिस समय यह दुखद घटना घटित हुई उस समय नई दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन के प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 14 पर पटना की ओर जाने वाली मगध एक्सप्रेस और प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 15 पर जम्मू की तरफ जाने वाली उत्तर संपर्क क्रांति खड़ी थी। इस दौरान फुट ओवर ब्रिज से 14 नंबर और 15 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म की तरफ आने वाली सीढ़ियों पर पैसेंजर के फिसल कर गिरने से उनके पीछे के कई यात्री इसकी चपेट में आ गए और यह दुखद घटना घटित हुई। इस हादसे की उच्च स्तरीय कमेटी द्वारा जांच की जा रही है।
My colleagues Shreya and Anushka join us. Shreya's joining us right now from the New Delhi railway station. Shreya, take us through the situation on ground. We're learning that, of course, as of now, the situation seems to be under control, but the aftermath of last night still haunting the railway station.
Absolutely. Right now, the situation is under control, but we can see heavy security being deployed here. And we know that last night, a massive tragedy taking place. This is the second time that we're seeing, this kind of a stampede taking place because of the unfortunate, Mahakumbh rush. And we saw, several eyewitnesses describing the scenes here at the railway station. People were gasping for air, and there was complete overcrowding in the platform number 13 and 14. And the people who were present there, they constantly said that, after the chaotic situation, after nearly 30 to 40 minutes later, they got help from the officials. And of course, the railway ministry has said that an inquiry has been initiated to find out for whose negligence this kind of a situation took place. For now, we know that at least 18 people have died, including 14 women and 3 children. And the railway ministry has also announced compensation of 10 lakhs for the families of the deceased, rupees 2.5 lakh for those seriously injured, and rupees 1 lakh for those with minor injuries. And yesterday we saw the railway ministry stating that they have deployed 4 trains to evacuate the sudden rush of passengers, and authorities also confirmed that the situation was under control. But after that, we saw that it was too late, and there was not enough political and administrative accountability because of this large influx of devotees, heading to Prayagraj. People questioned that there was a lack.
Anushka as well. Anushka joins us from the LNJP hospital. Anushka, take us to the situation on ground. We're learning that many leaders are coming to visit those who are injured and admitted in the hospital as well.
Well, certainly, Aarti, right now I'm at the LNJP hospital. Yesterday night, the Lieutenant Governor had come here to visit the people who are seriously injured and have been admitted in this hospital. The acting Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, also came here for a visit. We will show you some visuals also from outside the hospital. We can clearly see that heavy police deployment has been done here. Also, 9 people have been admitted. Few of them are seriously injured. 9 dead bodies have also been, in fact, kept in the mortuary. Around 11 a.m. the post-mortem will happen and the bodies will be handed back to the family. Now, the Delhi police has also launched an investigation into the stampede at New Delhi railway station that killed 18 people. Now, remember, 15 of them were women. Also, they have said that they will analyze CCTV footage to determine what transpired before the chaos erupted. And also, we are seeing that the CPRO has come up and has said that, in fact, on platform number 14, a train moving towards Patna was stationed, and on platform 15, the train going to the Jammu Kashmir, railway station had been, in fact, stationed. A massive crowd was there at the footover bridge where several of the people were gathered to board the trains. And, amid that overcrowded, situation, rumor erupted that the trains have been delayed, and because of that chaos erupted, a person slipped. And because he slipped, we saw that, according to what the sources are saying, that one person slipped, and after that, whole of the crowd started slipping, and a stampede-like situation occurred. Now, we're also seeing that the railway has offered a compensation of rupees 10 lakh for the people who are deceased, 2.5 lakh for the people who are gravely injured, and 1 lakh for the people who have sustained minor injuries. Also, we are seeing the opposition coming down heavily on the government, saying that why proper preparations were not made if there was such a crowd going towards the Mahakumbh. Now, remember, yesterday was Saturday, that was a weekend, and several of the people had come to New Delhi railway station so that they could board a train to Prayagraj to, in fact, take a holy dip at the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. But also, we saw this tragedy unfolding later in the night. Around 10:55 a.m. a call went to the fire brigade, wherein it was said that a stampede-like situation has occurred at the New Delhi railway station, and in that 18 people so far are reported to be dead. And also, we are seeing that 9 people have been admitted at the LNJP hospitals. The initial care is in fact being given. The whole police personnel and also the hospital has been in fact given strict instructions that the people should be given proper care and whole of the extravagancies that that is required here. But also we are seeing that this tragedy has unfolded. Several people are coming up front and saying that they are in fact quite bereaved, quite in trouble that this situation has unfolded. But also we are seeing that right now at LNJP hospital, few of the people who have been admitted are going with medical care. Also we are seeing that this whole situation is also going through a probe. The Delhi police, the railway board has also in fact gathered a committee to in fact look upon the matter as to what happened. Because of that, the crowd in fact slipped and the stampede like situation occurred. We also saw eyewitnesses saying that such kind of crowd was never seen before at the New Delhi railway station, because of which this stampede like situation occurred. In fact, even in Chhath Puja we see that the New Delhi railway station goes through massive crowding and also people, lots and lots of people trying to board the train. But right now we are seeing at the New Delhi railway station one rumor erupted as one train has been delayed, and because of that the people in fact tried to board the train in the whole foot-over bridge where the crowd was gathered. One person slipped. As per the CPR also we are seeing that they have said that according to initial report, this is what has came in light. We'll once again show you the visuals from LNJP hospital. Now this is the place where 9 people are in fact admitted and are going through critical care. Also sources said a wrong announcement about change of platform may have caused a confusion and led to the stampede. The stampede was preceded by a swell in crowd of passengers waiting to board trains for Prayagraj, where the Mahakumbh is underway, and on platform number 14 and 15. Now these platforms are facing towards each other, and this situation in fact occurred here. We see several of the people coming forward and in fact visiting the deceased and also the people who have in fact been admitted here to undergo critical care. We saw the Lieutenant Governor coming here, and he has also in fact said that whole of the preparations have been made. The people who have been admitted will be given proper care and they will be the priority as to every care should be in fact given to the people. The railway has now announced compensation for the people who has lost their lives. The Delhi police has in fact launched a probe to consider as to what went wrong, and we are also seeing the opposition questioning as to what all preparations were in fact made in place if people were coming here and if the crowd was at a large. The people are also saying that once the crowd was swelling inside, the gateways were in fact closed so that not more people can in fact enter inside. But we saw the tragedy that unfolded yesterday later at night and several of the people losing their lives in this whole tragedy. Over to you.
Right, Anushka, like you mentioned, there are people questioning what took place and why there was not enough police deployment as well. Now, the Congress has, of course, come out and questioned what they say is mismanagement on that night, saying that there wasn't enough police deployment, there wasn't enough information that was given to the passengers. Like you mentioned, there was perhaps a rumor in terms of which platform the train was going to come on, after which there was amount of chaos and panic that erupted.
Well, certainly as per we are seeing what has unfolded. Several of the eyewitnesses had said that they did not see as to what kind of crowd that erupted inside of the railway station. It was Saturday. Lots and lots of people had come to New Delhi railway station so that they could board a train to Prayagraj so that they could take a holy dip in the Mahakumbh that is underway at Prayagraj. Also, now people are saying that a rumor erupted. There were 2 trains stationed at platform number 14 and platform number 15. Platform number 14 had a train that was bound to go to Patna. On platform 15, a train was stationed that was bound to go to Jammu and Kashmir. Now, a rumor erupted in between that the train has been delayed, and we also saw at the footover bridge where several of the people were gathered to board the trains. That led to a situation of confusion and panic amongst the people. One person slipped at the stairs, and that led to several of the people, who were standing besides him. They all started falling down, and stampede-like situation had occurred. And now also we are seeing the railway has in fact offered compensation for the people who are deceased. Now 18 people have lost their lives in this unfortunate tragedy. Railway has said that they are in fact launching a probe also, and in the initial probe it has come out that a person slipped at the footover bridge where several people were gathered to board the train. Right now we're at the LNJP hospital. 9 people have been admitted here. Several of them are in a critical condition. 9 dead bodies are in fact also kept in the mortuary at around 11 a.m. according to hospital sources. The postmortem will be done and the body will be handed back to the family members. We are showing you the visuals also outside of the LNJP hospital. We can see heavy police deployment that has been kept in place. Also, the Delhi police is launching a probe into this matter. They are analyzing the CCTV footage to, in fact, put a finger as to what exactly happened, and the crowd unraveled and a stampede-like situation occurred at the New Delhi railway station. Now, remember, Mahakumbh is underway, and on several of the weekends also we see lots and lots of people, in fact, trying and planning to go and take a holy dip there. We are seeing several of the opposition party members coming down heavily on the government, asking as to what preparations were made, because everybody knows that Mahakumbh is underway, and several of the people are in fact also trying to participate in that whole ritual. But also we are seeing that this unfortunate tragedy unfolded yesterday night. The Lieutenant Governor came here at the LNJP hospital to visit the people who are in critical condition. He has said that all kind of exigencies will be given to the people who are in critical condition. The care should be given. Initial medical care was given to the people at the local hospital. Only after that the people were transferred to LNJP and RML hospital. Right now the situation at the New Delhi railway station is under control now, but we're also seeing a management level inquiry that is going on. The railway has launched a probe. The Delhi police is looking into the matter, and several of the people who lost their lives are in fact also looking as to what happened and why such unfortunate tragedy unfolded yesterday. Over to you.
Thank you, Anushka, for bringing us those details from the hospital there at LNJP. We're also, my colleague Shreya joins us from the railway station. Shreya, take us to the situation on ground at this point.
Well, let me show you the visuals first. We are on platform number 16. This platform also witnessed severe overcrowding. Here you can see police barricades have been put up. The situation here is quite normal right now. Everything is under control. There is not much crowd. That side, if I show you, that is the platform number 15, and severe overcrowding took place on platform number 14 and 15. Once the passengers got to know that the two trains that were heading towards Prayagraj for the Mahakumbh, those trains got cancelled. That's when a panic-like situation erupted, and there was a heavy influx of these Mahakumbh pilgrims who were here at platform number 15 and 14. I'll also show the exact situation where there was severe overcrowding as per the visuals. Near the escalator we saw people were pushing for and gasping for air, and several women we saw lying completely unconscious due to suffocation and injury on the platform. And as per the eyewitnesses account, they were the administration responded to their queries almost 30-40 minutes later, and things had worsened. The situation had gotten worsened by then, and of course, 4 fire officials were informed late at night, and that's how the fire services got these distressing calls from the passengers, and that's when the administration took into consideration the seriousness of the matter. And of course, we also saw Railway DCP acknowledging that there was a heavy influx. Almost 1,500 general tickets were sold last night, and that goes on to show the heavy influx of the pilgrims, because we understand it was a weekend, it was a Saturday, and there was potential negligence on the part of the administration, because no one had anticipated that kind of a crowd. And why wasn't it anticipated? That is a big question in itself. Was there mismanagement? Was there lack of police forces taking into consideration that the crowd could swell up, because it's a Saturday and the Mahakumbh is an ongoing festival that's going on, that pilgrims could they could fall into a situation like this. And let me tell my viewers that this is the second stampede that is happening amid this Mahakumbh rush, and it is quite unfortunate that 18 people died. At least for now, 18 people have died, including 14 women and 3 children. The Railway Ministry has announced this compensation of 10 lakh lakh rupees to the deceased's family. But what needs to be taken into consideration from now is that the Mahakumbh festival is an ongoing event, and we are seeing massive influx of passengers in most of these railway stations, and because people from across the country, you know, from different states, they are heading to Prayagraj. So what kind of security forces are deployed on ground in these other railway stations? And this is the national capital that we are talking about. In today's day and age, when we are talking about bullet trains, and then we are seeing a stampede where, you know, almost 18 people dying out of suffocation and injury. It is quite ironical, and I'll show the visuals again. I mean, it is quite contrasting as to what we saw last night and what the situation is right now. Last night also, you know, the railway ministry said, the railway minister said that four trains were, you know, after the whole situation occurred, you know, 4 trains were rushed to the station, you know, to evacuate the rush. But then again, by that time, the situation had already worsened, and now the railway ministry has initiated a probe, a deep level investigation as to where there were lapses in terms of, you know, security arrangements, and then further process will take place, further investigation will take place, and we are already seeing the matter is getting politicized to a certain extent. We are seeing opposition leaders also pouring in their condolences, as well as hitting out at the BJP-led government in UP particularly, and the complete mismanagement, you know, that has occurred, that has led to the death of 18 people, including 14 women and 3 children. Back to you.